In a tranquil bird park, as the sun sets and a gentle breeze rustles through the treetops, various birds begin to settle in this beautiful territory. Now, I invite you, dear reader, to join me in saying goodnight to these colorful feathered friends. First, you arrive under a tall tree and discover a melodious nightingale. Gently, you say, "Good night, lovely nightingale friend." The nightingale hops on the branches, responding to your greeting, as if inviting you to share the tranquility of the night. Next, you walk to the lakeside and observe a group of gracefully gliding cranes. Smiling, you say, "Good night, elegant crane friends." The cranes nod gracefully, seemingly conveying a sense of peace and pleasantness. As you stroll, you come across a pair of colorful macaws, playfully interacting with each other. You softly say, "Good night, lively macaw friends." The macaws cheerfully chirp, as if sharing their joy with you. In another corner of the park, you encounter a wise owl, attentively gazing at you. You address it, saying, "Good night, clever owl friend." The owl responds with a profound hoot, as if sharing the mystery of the night with you. Finally, you discover a majestic eagle quietly watching you from its nest. You whisper, "Good night, powerful eagle friend." The eagle responds with a regal gaze, conveying a sense of reassurance and freedom. During your stroll, you suddenly spot a brilliantly colored peacock, leisurely walking among the flowers. Admiringly, you exclaim, "Good night, magnificent peacock friend." The peacock unfurls its beautiful tail, as if presenting you with a visual feast of the night. Then, you arrive by a stream, witnessing a lively group of kingfishers. With a smile, you say, "Good night, joyful kingfisher friends." The kingfishers joyfully hop and chirp on the tree branches, as if sharing their vitality with you. In this bird park, you communicate goodnight greetings with various birds, and they respond in their unique ways. As night falls, stars twinkle in the sky, and you feel the tranquility and serenity of coexisting with nature. Close your eyes, and let this tranquility guide you into a beautiful dream.